I'm Nyle Wadford with Neuse Tile Service in Youngsville, North Carolina. 5-star contractor with the NTCA, and here to talk about the benefits of qualified labor. When we turn over projects like this to our installers, we make sure that they are trained well, and the benefits of using qualified labor is that you're getting a professional installer working for a professional company doing professional installations. This kind of work, when we turn it over to the customer, leads to satisfied customers because of the abilities that he has and the dedication to his craft and the professional installation of tile that he is willing to produce on a daily basis. Saves a lot of money on the back end.